Ever found yourself needing to send money to a friend, but they only use Venmo while you're a CashApp diehard? Or maybe you're stuck in the middle, part of a group using both platforms for splitting bills. Fear not, financial social butterfly, because this video dives into the nitty-gritty of transferring funds between CashApp and Venmo. Now, before we jump in, let's face it. Ideally, a world where everything connects seamlessly exists. One tap, bam, money's there, no matter the app. But alas, reality isn't always that smooth. So, can you directly transfer from CashApp to Venmo? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. The short, and slightly disappointing, answer. Unfortunately, there's no direct way to send money from CashApp to Venmo. They operate as separate ecosystems, each with its own payment rails and security protocols. So, you can't just fire off a quick payment like you would to someone within the same app. But wait, there's more. There's always more. Okay, so a direct transfer isn't on the table. But fear not, there are a few workarounds you can use to get those funds flowing. We'll explore two main methods, each with its own pros and cons. Method 1, the bank transfer shuffle. This method involves using your trusty bank account as a middleman. Think of it like a financial relay race. Here's how it works. Cash out from CashApp, open your Cash app and navigate to the Cash Out section. Choose to transfer the desired amount to your linked bank account. There might be a small fee for instant transfers, so be mindful of that. Top up your Venmo once the funds land in your bank account, which could take a few business days for standard transfers. Open your Venmo app. Head to the Transfer Money section and choose to add funds from your bank. Follow the prompts to link your bank account if you haven't already. Patience is a virtue. This transfer might also take some time, depending on your bank's processing speed. But hey, at least your money's on its way. Pros: this method is generally reliable and secure, utilizing the established infrastructure of your bank. Cons: it's not exactly instant gratification. There can be waiting periods for both the CashApp transfer and the Venmo top-up. Additionally, fees might add up depending on your CashApp transfer speed and any bank transfer charges. Method 2, the debit card detour. This method utilizes the magic of debit cards, assuming you have one linked to both CashApp and Venmo. Here's the plan. Cash out to your debit card, similar to the bank transfer method, open CashApp and navigate to Cash Out. But this time, choose to transfer the funds directly to your linked debit card. Again, instant transfers might come with a fee. Venmo's payment power: open your Venmo app and navigate to the Pay section. Select the option to use your debit card as the payment method. Instant, but fee-prone, gratification: this method boasts the advantage of potentially being instant. However, be aware that Venmo might charge a processing fee for using a debit card for payments. Pros: this method can be faster than the bank transfer shuffle, especially if you opt for the instant CashApp transfer. Cons: fees can be a major drawback. Between potential CashApp instant transfer fees and Venmo's debit card processing fees, this option might not be the most cost-effective. The final verdict: friend or foe? So, CashApp and Venmo? More like frenemies in the money transfer world. While a direct connection isn't available, the bank transfer shuffle and debit card detour offer workarounds, each with its own set of pros and cons. Ultimately, the best option depends on your priorities: speed or cost efficiency. Bonus tip: consider if there's another way to split the bill or transfer funds. Maybe one person can cover the entire cost initially and then be reimbursed later through the app they use. Every situation is unique, so a little creative problem solving can go a long way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.